What if I told you that a tiny green spice sitting quietly in your kitchen could change the way your body feels every single day? Not a trendy supplement, not an expensive superfood, just one small pod with a big reputation? Stick around, because what cardamom does inside your body might surprise you. Cardamom is one of those spices most people recognize by smell before they ever think about health benefits. It's warm, slightly sweet, a little spicy, and used in everything from chai tea to baked goods. But for thousands of years, cardamom wasn't just used for flavor, it was used for the body. Today, cardamom doesn't get the same attention as turmeric or ginger, but it probably should. When eaten regularly, even in small amounts, cardamom interacts with digestion, breath, metabolism, inflammation, and more. And the best part is, you don't need a lot to see benefits. Let's break down what actually happens if you eat cardamom every day. First, let's talk about digestion, because this is where cardamom really shines. Cardamom naturally helps your stomach produce digestive enzymes. That means food breaks down more smoothly instead of sitting there feeling heavy. If you've ever felt bloated or uncomfortable after eating, cardamom can help calm things down. Many people notice less gas and less stomach pressure when they add cardamom to their daily routine. It gently relaxes the muscles in the digestive tract, which helps food move along without discomfort. That's one reason cardamom is often added to rich or heavy meals in traditional cooking. Another big change happens in your mouth. Cardamom is famous for freshening breath, and it's not just masking smells. It actually fights odor-causing bacteria. Chewing one pod after a meal can leave your mouth feeling clean and refreshed without gum or mints. But it goes deeper than breath. Cardamom supports oral health by limiting harmful bacteria that can contribute to plaque buildup. Over time, that can support healthier gums and a cleaner feeling mouth overall. Now let's talk about inflammation. Low-level inflammation is something many people deal with every day without realizing it. It shows up as stiff joints, fatigue, or that general feeling of being off. Cardamom contains natural compounds that help calm inflammatory responses in the body. When eaten consistently, cardamom may help reduce everyday inflammation, especially in the gut and joints. This doesn't mean pain disappears overnight, but many people notice they feel a little lighter and more comfortable over time. Cardamom also has a surprising effect on metabolism. It gently warms the body and can slightly increase calorie burn. This is one reason it's often included in spiced teas and drinks. While it's not a magic weight loss ingredient, it can support a healthy metabolism when paired with good food and movement. Some studies suggest cardamom may help the body handle fats more efficiently. That means less sluggishness after meals and more stable energy levels throughout the day. Speaking of energy, cardamom doesn't work like caffeine. It doesn't spike you and crash you. Instead, it supports steady energy by improving digestion and circulation. When your body processes food better, you naturally feel more energized. Many people who eat cardamom daily say they feel less afternoon fatigue, that tired, heavy feeling after lunch. Cardamom can help reduce that by keeping digestion smooth and blood flow steady. Let's move on to heart health. Cardamom has been linked to better circulation and balanced blood pressure. It contains antioxidants that support blood vessel health and help the body manage oxidative stress. Some people notice that regular cardamom use helps them feel less pressure or tightness, especially when combined with a balanced diet. Again, this isn't a replacement for medical care, but it's a supportive habit that adds up over time. Cardamom also plays a role in blood sugar balance. It helps improve insulin sensitivity and supports more stable blood sugar levels. That means fewer sudden energy crashes and less intense sugar cravings. If you tend to feel shaky or tired between meals, adding cardamom to your food or tea may help smooth out those ups and downs. It's a small change, but consistency matters. Now let's talk about the gut microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. Cardamom supports the growth of beneficial bacteria while discouraging harmful ones. This creates a healthier balance in the digestive system. A healthier gut can affect everything from mood to immunity. Many people don't realize how connected digestion and mental clarity really are. which brings us to mood and mental well-being. Cardamom has traditionally been used to reduce stress and calm the nervous system. Its aroma alone can have a relaxing effect, but eating it regularly may help support emotional balance. Some people report feeling less anxious and more grounded when cardamom becomes part of their routine. This may be due to its effect on inflammation, digestion, and circulation working together. Cardamom can also support respiratory health. It helps open airways and clear mucus. That's why it's often used in warm teas during cold seasons. If you deal with congestion or seasonal breathing discomfort, cardamom may help you breathe a little easier. It gently supports lung function without harsh stimulation. Another benefit people don't expect is how cardamom affects cravings. Its strong flavor can reduce the desire for overly sweet or processed foods. When your taste buds feel satisfied, you're less likely to reach for junk snacks. Adding cardamom to coffee, oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies can naturally enhance flavor without added sugar. Over time, this can help support healthier eating habits. Cardamom also supports liver health. The liver is constantly working to filter toxins and process nutrients. Cardamom's antioxidant properties help protect liver cells and support detox processes. This doesn't mean cardamom cleanses your body overnight, but it supports the systems that already do that job. Let's talk about immunity. Cardamom contains antimicrobial compounds that help the body fight harmful bacteria and viruses. When eaten regularly, it can support immune defenses, especially during seasonal changes. Many people notice they get sick less often or recover faster when cardamom is part of their daily routine. Now, how much cardamom are we talking about? You don't need a lot. 1 pot a day, a pinch of ground cardamom, or a cup of cardamom tea is enough to see benefits over time. The key is consistency, not quantity. Too much can upset your stomach, so keep it simple. Here's the most surprising part. When you eat cardamom every day, it doesn't just affect one part of your body. It quietly improves how different systems work together. Better digestion supports better energy. Better circulation supports clearer thinking. Better gut health supports mood and immunity. It's not flashy. You won't feel it all at once. But after a few weeks, many people realize they feel calmer, lighter, and more balanced overall. And that's the real power of cardamom. It works in the background, improving your daily baseline without demanding attention. So, what happens if you eat cardamom every day? You may notice smoother digestion, fresher breath, steadier energy, fewer cravings, better mood, and a stronger sense of balance in your body. All from one small spice. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, honest health content. Drop a comment and tell me this. Have you ever tried cardamom daily, or would you add it to your routine after watching this? Let's talk about it below.